In this video, I will show you a detailed comparison between SendPulse and AWeber, two popular email marketing platforms, to help you decide which one is better suited for your marketing needs in 2024. For your convenience, the links to both SendPulse and AWeber are in the description below, so you can try them out. Let's start with an overview of SendPulse. SendPulse is an all-in-one marketing platform that offers email marketing, SMS marketing, web push notifications, and chatbots. It is known for its user-friendly interface and affordable pricing plans. SendPulse Email Editor allows you to create beautiful and responsive emails without any coding skills. It also offers advanced features such as A/B testing, automation workflows, and analytics to help you optimize your campaigns. On the other hand, AWeber is a well-established email marketing platform that has been around for many years. It offers a wide range of features including email automation, drag-and-drop email builder, subscriber segmentation, and detailed analytics. AWeber is known for its excellent customer support and easy integration with other marketing tools. When it comes to pricing, SendPulse offers a free plan with limited features and paid plans starting at $6 per month. AWeber also offers a free plan for up to 500 subscribers and paid plans starting at $13 per month. In terms of features, both SendPulse and AWeber offer similar functionalities such as email automation, subscriber segmentation, and analytics. However, SendPulse stands out with its additional features like SMS marketing and web push notifications, which are not available in AWeber. Overall, if you are looking for an affordable all-in-one marketing platform with a focus on email, SMS, and web push notifications, SendPulse is a great choice. However, if you prefer a more established platform with excellent customer support and a wide range of integrations, AWeber might be the better option for you. Click the link in the description to try SendPulse or AWeber for free.